Hey everybody, it's Andy. Welcome back to my show where I help you build a career you love. Got a really nice resume tip today. Dare I say it's probably the best piece of advice I can give you in a very condensed amount of time that I think will have the most impact on how effective your resume will be. And I know a lot of people struggle with writing resumes. It's difficult, and you want to come up with something that's very powerful. And one of the things that people struggle with is the power or lack thereof in their resume bullets. So I've got this little trick here. Whether you are putting a bullet together in your professional work experience section or you're putting a bullet together in the career highlights section, one of the questions that you should ask yourself as you're writing your bullets is not what did I do, because that's what a lot of people do, right? They say, what did I do here? I ran the customer service department. That's not a very powerful bullet. That's what you did. That's what we call an activities-based bullet. What we really are looking for is an accomplishments-based bullet. So the neat little trick that you can use is, as you write your bullets, ask yourself, what happened as a result of me doing this activity? What happened as a result of me doing what I did? So if you run the customer service department, what actually happened? Did customer service increase? Did the speed at which you could respond to customer inquiries decrease, thereby shrinking the calls, the inquiries in the call center, whatever it might be? That's ultimately what you want to put in the bullet. So I ran the customer service department, raised customer satisfaction by how much? Decreased call time by how much? Increased response time by how much? And so on. So what happened as a result of me doing what I did? If you have not answered that question in the bullet is not done. Okay, hope that tip really helps you. If you want more on resume writing, I've got an entire resume writing playlist on my YouTube channel. Check that out. I also have a wonderful free webinar. It's recorded. It's about an hour long, called 3 Secrets to Get Your Resume Noticed. So I hope you enjoyed that tip. For much more, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am live on Tuesday mornings for Careers and Coffee and Thursdays for live office hours. You can come there and join me and the entire community live to get your questions answered. Take care. See you soon.